Hi, viewers. I'm Praveen Raju. Today topic is trigonometry, 10th class, 10th sum. K sum is very important sum. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. First take cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k by using identity formula. Cosecant theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. What is the formula? This one, a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Can write cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. What is the answer? By equation 1, cosecant plus cot is equal to k. K into, submit this place, and cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. K will transfer this side. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. This equation 2. 1 and 2 solve. And cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, and cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. By using elimination method, plus cot minus cot cancel. 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k, and 2 cosecant theta k into k square plus 1 by k. 2 will be transferred. Cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. What is the cosecant theta formula? By sides, hypotenuse by opposite. Leave. Again 1 and 2. What is the 1? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, and cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Change the symbol, minus plus minus. Plus cosecant minus cosecant cancel. 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. LCM, and 2 cot theta is equal to k into k square minus 1 by 2 we transfer. Cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. What is the cot theta formula? Adjacent by opposite. What when you prove that some cos theta and cos theta is equal to formula adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent value? This one is a adjacent, k square minus 1, and by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse value? K square plus 1. Therefore, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is easy method. Simply easy method. Don't using the right angle triangle. Equation 1 and 2 one time solve. First time cancel the cot theta, and second time cancel the equation 1 solve. Cosecant theta symbol change. First shoot. What is the first? Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite, k square plus 1 by 2k, and second time cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k is adjacent by opposite. All sides are given. Triangle, all sides will be there. Hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. That means cos theta formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Hence fruit. Thank you, viewers. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Let's take LHS. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. LCM, cos into cos, cos square theta by cos theta. By using identity formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The cos square will be transferred this side, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Submit the value this place in sin square, and sin square theta by cos theta. The sin square means sin into sin. Sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. What is the formula? Sin by cos means tan theta, and tan theta into sin theta. And fruit. This is the question. What is the question? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta is hence fruit. Thank you.